Hey there, want to know a secret to boost your memory right now? Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to share simple, proven techniques that can help you remember more, faster. Whether you're studying for exams or just trying to remember important details, these tips are about to change the game for you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the power of focus. When you're trying to memorize something, your brain isn't a sponge, it's more like a sieve. Distractions, multitasking, or just not paying full attention can make it much harder to remember. So, the first step is to eliminate distractions. Find a quiet space, turn off notifications, and give your full attention to what you're trying to learn. Pause. Remember, focused attention creates stronger memories. Next up is the technique called chunking. Instead of trying to remember a large string of information, break it into manageable chunks. For example, if you're trying to memorize a long number, like 149,217,761,812, split it into sections: 1,492, 1,776, 1,812. It's easier for your brain to handle smaller pieces than a jumble of digits. The same applies to words. Group related items together to create meaningful clusters. Now, let's talk about the power of association. Our brains love connecting new information with what we already know. When you learn something new, try to link it to a familiar idea or image. For instance, if you're trying to remember someone's name, think of a celebrity or a character with the same name. The stronger the connection, the more likely you'll recall it later. Use visualization. Imagine vivid images that relate to what you're studying. It makes the information stick. Another quick tip is repetition. Spaced repetition, in particular, works wonders. Review the material after 10 minutes, then after a few hours, then a day later. This practice reinforces the memory pathways and prevents forgetting. Set reminders to revisit concepts periodically. Your future self will thank you. Finally, don't forget to take care of your brain holistically. Get enough sleep, stay hydrated, and maintain a healthy diet. Your brain functions best when it's well rested and nourished. Plus, exercise increases blood flow and releases chemicals that enhance cognitive function, including memory. So, here's what you can do right now. Focus on your current task, chunk what you need to learn, create associations, and plan quick review sessions. Implement these steps starting today, and you'll notice a real improvement in your ability to remember. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Pick one new piece of information you want to learn today. Use these techniques, eliminate distractions, chunk it, associate it, and see how much better you remember it tomorrow. Are you ready to unlock your memory's full potential? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to share this video with your